Hey guys, Yes here, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this very spring bronzy makeup look featuring Ardell. So if you guys are interested on checking out how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the Stroke a Brow Feathering Pen. And I actually really like this because it gives you really natural strokes. And it just kind of looks really natural. It kind of goes perfectly with your natural hair. And it's also waterproof. Yes! Doesn't even look like I filled them in. Super natural. So this is perfect for if you're trying to get that, like, I didn't really do my eyebrows, but I did. But like people think that I actually didn't. And they just look super like natural and like mine. Alright, so next I'm going to be going in with the In Her Prime Eye Primer. And this is actually a shimmer primer, so this is really going to help for our shimmer shadows to just like really pop. Dab it on a little bit. And primer is also really important if you really want your eyeshadow to last. And I don't know anybody who's put on eyeshadow and doesn't want it to last, so I mean it makes sense that you put on eyeshadow primer. And it kind of already has shimmer in it too. Like I don't know if you can actually kind of see, but it's kind of like living. Yes, I'm actually done because it looks cute. So we're just gonna cancel the eye look and we're just doing this. Just kidding. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be doing an eye look and we're actually gonna be doing a bronzy eye look using the Pro Eyeshadow Palette Shimmer, which is this one right here. And we're gonna be starting off the look with this shade right here, which is kind of like a brown, like taupey color. And the color is gonna be really intense because we already used the shimmer primer, girl. Yes. Yes, I love how like eyeshadow just is like dimension to your eyes, you know? It's like, this one's like, and this one's already living. We haven't even done that much. Alright, so next up we're going to be going in with this shade right here, which is like a lighter shade, but it's like bronzy and obviously super shimmery. We're going to be using this shade for our eyelid. And as you can see, the primer really helps for it to just kind of like pop and stand out. Next up, we're going to be going in with this shade right here, which is more like a bronzy, almost with like a red undertone shade. And you can see how that already like makes a difference. It just adds more dimension to the look. So for our inner corner, we're going to be going in with this shade right here, which is a lighter shade because we really want our inner corner to pop. So we're going to be going in here. Yes, it just adds so much to the eye. Do you see that? This one's like, hey girl, and this one's kind of like just hi. Next up, I'm going to be showing you guys a little hack that I use, just a little secret between you and I. I'm going to be using this shade, the same one that we use for our inner corner. I'm going to be using this as a highlight on the same brush that we use for our inner corner. Ooh. Next up, we're going to add a little oomph with some liquid eyeliner, and this is the Fame Chaser. And I personally like to start my eyeliner like, I don't think it's half, it's more like a quarter into my eye, so like right here. We're just gonna go ahead and pull it out. And this is like the perfect eyeliner if you're gonna like go out on a hot summer day or to a party because it won't budge at all. Now we're going to move on to our lower lash line and we're going to be going in with the Wanna Get Lucky Gel Liner. This one is in the shade Teddy, and right off the bat, let me just show you my favorite. It has a twist up thing, so it just goes up perfect. Everybody needs to have this because it's such a struggle, and it also has a little sharpener, so if the tip ever gets dull, you just sharpen it. The best of all the worlds in one little device. Amazing. It looks a little harsh, but we are going to smudge it out. This shade right here, which is another bronzy shade, and we're just going to go ahead and smudge it all out. So moving on to lashes, we're going to be going in with the Double Up Volumizing Mascara, and you're probably wondering, why is it called Double Up? Well, I'm going to show you this innovative product. It literally has two little things. You guys, it's a thing. Like, what is this? Okay, so the first one, when you first open it up, it's to volumize, right? So you have like a lot of product in here, but then you want to elongate, right? And I can't elongate if there's so much product and it's a lot. Well, there's a solution, because then you open it up and less product, girl. Yes, so let me show you how to use it. So now we're gonna go in, volume, yes. Okay, volume. See, and then here you elongate. Yes, Double Up Mascara. Perfect. So now we're gonna be moving on to perhaps the most important final touch, which is lashes. And these are actually exclusively at Ulta, and they're super cool because it comes with 3 lashes and a full-size duo. So it's everything that you could possibly need. I'm gonna go in with these, and this one is called Selfie Sunday, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and double stack 174 and Demi Wispies because I'm extra, but if you're not extra, you can use them individually. So let's get in here. So I always go ahead and go in with tweezers because there's no way I could do this with my fingers. And you pretty much just take it out of one pack and then just lay it on the other eyelash. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and go over here because this one's shorter. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and apply some duo to our lash. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let it sit for a minute so that it can get tacky, and then we're gonna apply them. This is the final lash look, and now we're gonna finish up the whole look with a lip stain. This one here is the Forever Kissable in the shade In Love, and it is like the perfect spring summer shade. And honestly, I love the tip. It's like mesmerizing. You just kind of want to stare at it. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go in. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of the products, head on over to Ulta.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.